morning. It's quite early, still dark out. It's not time for sunrise yet, still dark out. 5:44 and sunrise is not till 7:03, sunset at 4:38. So dark, long, dark night, short day, and we're not even at the solstice yet. We still have quite some time, 6 weeks, 7 weeks. But as we get closer to the solstice, you'll see that the space where there's sunrise gets smaller and smaller. It's actually kind of depressing. So maybe I shouldn't use that this time of year. Thinking about today and lately, how to stay organized without being organized and having spaces around me that are calming, without it requiring too much time and effort and energy so that it creates stress to try to be tidy and organized. And I'll show you why this is a factor for me right now. If you take a look around my office, it's kind of a mess. So definitely a lot of stuff needs to get put away. I've got hiking gear and rain clothes. I've got projects and equipment. I've got my desk with some of the setup stays and some of the organization is okay, but there's kind of a lot of clutter, a lot going on the floor down here, of various things I'm working on, but also, definitely needs a clean up. Could stand to vacuum the floor and do some dusting, just do some cleaning, but mostly some organizing. So I'm thinking about that as a project for today. Mostly because I actually don't have an official work day today. It's a day off, but I want to prepare for my week, and I want to feel. I don't want to feel stressed when I come into the space where I do my working. So if I can spend some time today cleaning, organizing, and setting myself up, I think it'll be a more peaceful week in my workspace. What do you like to do to try to organize your space, organize your life? What's helpful for you in de-stressing? What are some strategies you use? I tend to make lists. I tend to set reminders for things I need to do so that I can know that I'll get them done in the time that I need, but not be thinking about them in the time that I'm trying to relax. And sometimes I don't worry about cleaning up too much. And then at a certain point, like today, it gets to the point where it's not relaxing to have such a mess. So cleaning up is actually a good de-stressor. So hope you'll join me and give me some support as I get organized today. Let's get started. When I'm cleaning and organizing, I try to put away anything I'm not currently using. I'm okay with having things out that I use all of the time. It's nice to have those within reach. But inevitably, stuff piles up and surfaces become cluttered. Even if I don't fully organize, just putting things away in a drawer or a cabinet can make my workspace feel much cleaner and calmer. I also try to take a moment to determine if I can recycle or remove anything I'm no longer using, move things to a different space, or reorganize where I'm keeping items. Once things are put away, it's much easier to clean. Dust piles up so fast, and I tend to track in dirt on the floor, but it's easy to dust and vacuum if I've tidied first. Organized, put things away, dusted, vacuumed, feeling a lot better in this space and liking how it looks. So let me show you around. Excuse me, I think that dust is getting me a little bit. Okay, nothing on the floor anymore. Cleaned up the chair that always ends up with hiking gear and bags, etc. Got my work space organized, got my leisure time area organized. Removed some things I'm not using in here anymore, made a little more space. My desk is ready for my upcoming clients and making videos. Everything has been put away. Still some organization to do on that cupboard, but at least things are put away for now. So yeah, pretty happy with this morning's work. I feel now I can work in here, be more relaxed in here, and just, that was a little bit overdue. It's nice to take some action that is work, but has a good result for yourself. So I'm happy about that. It's a good Sunday task before the work week starts in full again. Rest of the day will probably be some time outdoors. I've got to practice my choir, which is why this is still sitting out as a reminder to get busy, go through my music, do some practice. And you can see it's getting lighter outside. Maybe you can. So we hit that dawn time. It's probably still pretty cold, but pretty soon I'll be able to go out, take a walk, and enjoy the neighborhood, see some fall leaves, and have some relaxing leisure time, as well as maybe a little bit of work. What are you up to with your Sunday? Leave me a comment and tell me what things you like to do on a Sunday. Also, let me know what projects you have had recently for organizing and what's on your to-do list. I have a pretty long to-do list, but it's nice to cross one thing off first thing on a Sunday morning. Thanks for doing it with me, guys, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. speechmodification.com. Bye, everybody.